Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that are going head-to-head in our ultimate comparison.
On the left, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro Dashcam, and on the right, we have the VEEMENT Dashcam Front 2.5K.
Get ready for some serious dash cam showdown. Let's start with the most important aspect of a dash cam video quality. The Vantrue N2 Pro boasts a dual lens setup, capturing both the road front and inside the passenger cabin in crystal clear resolution.
It's the perfect choice for Uber, Lyft, and rideshare drivers who need photographic evidence.
Now let's talk about night vision. The Vantrue N2 Pro comes equipped with infrared lights and has f2.0 aperture, ensuring flawless video footage even in low light conditions.
Say goodbye to those dark and grainy videos.
Now let's dive into the additional features that set these dash cams apart.
The Vantrue N2 Pro offers a 24-hour parking mode, automatically recording when it detects motion.
It also has a G sensor that locks footage in case of sudden shake or collision. Plus, you have the option to add GPS for tracking your driving route. Both the Vantrue N2 Pro and the VEEMENT Dashcam Front 2.5K offer impressive video quality, night vision, and additional features. It's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
And that's a wrap on our ultimate dashcam comparison.
Don't forget to check the description below for links to these products. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, make smart choices before you buy.